Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Now we have to scroll down again to find backup to Google Drive. And if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to do it right now. If you want to do it before setting the backup, just check our tutorial about it. However, it looks pretty similar. And if you've got your Google account added, you will be simply able to choose it from the list. Alright, so let's move into the next step. So let's tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Confirm everything, of course. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark it and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service, Privacy Policy and Google Play Terms of Service, just tap on it to learn more and tap on I agree. And here we've got finally the backup section, so here you can decide what kind of data you want to backup. So the photos and videos or other device data, of course you can mark both. I'll choose only this one. Let's tap on Confirm, tap on Manage Backup. And here in this step you can change the how much space you've got left on your backup account. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything you have to simply tap on Backup Now, and from now on your device will back up the data. Of course you have to confirm it with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.